Lo despertó. We didn't even walk in yet. Este es el que yo vi, Eliana.
It's a terrier mixed with pit bull, I think.
Hi.
Yeah, most of the dogs here do have a little bit of pit bull in them though.
Ya.
Ma, mira este.
Oh, so cute.
And that's all of them. There's no others.
Oh, okay.
Deja el auto prendido para que caliente.
Oh, you're right. Here, hold the camera. Go say hi to our dog.
We have to grab somebody that just.
Okay, so whenever.
They should be here in a few minutes probably because we'll get some guinea pigs apparently. I know, she's so sweet. I was there earlier, these two wouldn't let me out. So I see from the hour later, my feet were numb.
Ay, Dios mío.
Ay, Dios mío.
Agárralo, Eliana, ya es tuyo.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. En un año te vengo y te adopto. Yeah. I'm like, he's looking at you. She's like, don't even tell me that.
Mira, este que lindo, me gustaba ese.
Esos duermen y este, we got the most hyper one.
Oh, okay, okay, relax, relax, relax. Ay, Dios mío, ay, Dios mío.
So much love, so much love.
Yeah, he does not know how to walk on this, so it's gonna take him a while to get used to it. I'm just gonna take these plastics off.
Are you happy?
Right. Alright. I'm gonna give you guys a towel so that way.
What's with you in blue, red?
Blue and red.
No, blue is ugly.
Red?
Yeah, get red.
La cama que yo por ahora, cuando sea más grande.
But he needs a fluffy one. No, he's gonna bite it.
A comprarle la chica roja con esa.
This one? Okay.
Pónesela ahí que la vaya calentando.
She's so cute.
Ah, esto le va a gustar, me parece.
Yeah. Enzo. We got him diapers. Let's see. We got him a bed, some food, a few toys, treats, bowls. That's it for right now. Enzo.